Hi, it's Jamie.
And I'm Brad.
We want to say hi to all the Disney fans out there, and we have a special onboard credit offer that we're going to talk about for your next Disney cruise.
So stick around. So Jamie.
Yep.
Do you know what my favorite, I can't even believe I'm admitting this, what my favorite type of Disney vacation is? Guess. Disney cruising. We love Disney World. It's awesome. We love Disneyland. You can't get better than the classic. Of course, you got all your Disney parks all over the world, but to us, I don't think, at least to me, nothing beats going on a Disney cruise.
No, I agree.
It is the height of luxury, it is the height of relaxation, and it is the height of Disney magic. So you get all of the magic of the parks, but in a situation where you're not running your whole vacation, getting exhausted. It's just... you can't beat it.
Well, and the best thing about it, I think, is you get the relaxation and the family time, but you also can have adult time, right?
Kick those kids to the curb.
Yeah, and you know what? They love it. They love
do.
the kids club.
Absolutely.
Ours, we have to beg them to come eat dinner with us because they want to be at the kids club so bad.
It's them that's really kicking us out.
It's true. Yeah. But that's a good problem to have.
That is a good problem to have.
So you get the family time, you get the relaxation time, and you get Disney. Yeah. What can be better than that, right?
Nothing beats that.
You know what else I like?
What else do you like, Jamie?
I like saving money.
That's me too.
Yeah. You might be wondering, Jamie, with the Disney cruise, how do I save money? Well, guess what?
Book with her.
Book with me, because I'm offering free onboard credit when you book your Disney cruise vacation with me. Just so you know, too, onboard credit you can use for alcoholic beverages, you can use it for excursions, you can use it for merchandise, you can use it even for gratuities. So there is a ton of stuff that you can use that for, right?
Big money saving, yeah.
You can save up to $1,000 on your next Disney cruise. Big money savings. Can I make it rain again? Can you do that? Yes. Or is it too hard?
Sick of editing this. But here you go.
Worth it! But it is totally dependent on your cruise fare. So here is my chart.
So for cabins of $1,000 to $199, a new reservation gets a $50 credit. For those that are booking a cabin that's $2,000 to $2,999, that's a $100 onboard credit. For those booking a cabin of $3,000 to $3,999, that's a $150 credit. For $4,000 to $4,999, you get a $200 in-room credit. For $5,000 to $5,099, you get a $250 in-room credit. For $6,000 to $6,999, you get a $300 credit. For $7,000 to $7,999, you get a $350 credit. You can kind of see the math that's happening.
Yes.
For $8,000 to $8,999, you get a $400 credit. For $9,000 to $999 cabin, you get a $450 credit. For $10,000 to $10,999 cabin, you get a $500 credit. Now you're starting to get big.
Yeah.
That's a lot of money.
Oh, yeah.
$500.
That is so many monies.
Yeah, that's all the monies. For $11,000 to $11,999, you get $550 for in-room credit. For $12,000 to $12,999, you get $600 in-room credit. For $13,000 to $13,999, you get $650 in-room credit. For $14,000 to $14,999, you get $700 in-room credit. For $15,000 to $15,999, you get $750 in-room credit. For $16,000 to $16,999, you get $800 room credit. For $17,000 to $17,999, you get $850 room credit. For $18,000 to $18,999, you get $900 in room credit. For $19,000 to $19,999, you get $950 in room credit. And for $20,000 and up, you get a $1,000 in room credit.
Woo! That is a lot of money.
Make it rain again, Jamie! Make it rain again!
Even if you've already booked and you're like, oh, Jamie, I wish I would have known this before I booked, you can transfer your booking to me. If you have booked within the last 30 days or even have a placeholder, you can transfer your booking to me and you will still get the savings. You'll just get half the amount of savings that I'm saying for all this chart.
Yeah, so for whatever we read, just imagine it's 50% of that is what you'll get if you do a transfer booking.
That's right, and I actually even send you tips and steps throughout your cruise booking. So I send you things to get ready for when you're boarding the ship, things before you leave, things before you check in online, because check-in online can be a little bit confusing on Disney
a lot of
Cruise.
work.
It is. So I have all the steps and all my tips for you that I lay out, and I'll send that to you all after booking. Make sure to book your Disney vacation with me, your Disney cruise. And yeah, my email is jamie@clickthemouse.ca. You can contact me through the website, www.clickthemouse.ca/Jamie. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope to talk to you soon about your Disney cruise. We're actually just booked our next one.
We're going to Hawaii, baby.
We're doing the Hawaii cruise in April of 2020. So we
out
are
of Vancouver.
Oh my
so
gosh.
if you watch this channel and you happen to be taking that cruise,
Make sure to comment.
make sure to comment. Make sure to book with her or transfer, but make sure to say hi too on the cruise. We'd love to say hi.
Oh my goodness, and we are so pumped and excited. And we want to make you excited about your next Disney cruise vacation. So you know what? Contact me and we'll chat.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.